Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be putting on one iris, Germanica Black Dragon. It says there, plant February to May, flowers May to August, perennials for the garden, patio or planters. Height 32 to 80 centimetres. So here we go. Let's get in there now. Right, here we go. Inside here. It's a nice tuber. Let's get everything off it. Not like that. And hopefully there's a bit of rot on this, so hopefully it's going to take. That's the problem when they're covered in all this, it's very hard to see. So all I need to do first is fill the bottle with compost. You have to excuse me, but I brought my little camera stand on the way here. I've got a replacement at home, so I'll have to fetch another one with me tomorrow. Yeah. Anyway, there you go. That's done like that. What you do then is make sure the roots are covered and make sure this, you need to make sure that the tuber itself, the corn, is above the soil surface, because that likes to bake in the sun. If you do that, you get a lot more flowers. If you bury it, it will not flower, will not flower as well. So yeah, as you can see, nice good water. Let that soak through, like so. And here's what I did earlier. So yeah, that's how to pot on your iris Germanica Black Dragon. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Oh, and by the way, the compost is peat based, and it's got so much feed in it for the first 6 weeks. And yeah, happy sowing, happy growing. Have a good day, folks. Thank you. Bye.